Hey there, ramen lovers! Let's dive straight into making a dreamy, Ghibli-inspired ramen. First, let's get our broth going. In a pot, add 2 cups of chicken broth, a dash of soy sauce, and a splash of mirin. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Now time to add some magic. Slice up a couple of shiitake mushrooms and toss them in. Add a handful of chopped green onions and let them dance in the simmering broth. Don't forget a clove of garlic, finely minced. Next, we're going to make our noodles. Cook your favorite ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Make sure they're al dente, just like in the movies. While the noodles cook, let's prepare our toppings. Slice a soft-boiled egg in half. The yolk should be just a little runny. Chop some nori seaweed into thin strips. And if you're feeling fancy, thinly slice some cooked pork belly. Now drain your noodles and add them to a beautiful, deep bowl. Pour the simmering broth over the noodles, making sure to get all those tasty bits of mushroom and green onion. Carefully place your toppings on top of the noodles. The egg, the nori, the pork belly. Arrange them just right for that perfect Ghibli look. Sprinkle a tiny bit of sesame seeds for that extra touch. And there you have it, a bowl of ramen that looks like it came straight out of a Ghibli film. Take a moment to admire your creation. The rich broth, the delicate noodles, the colorful toppings, it's like a piece of art. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more magical meals. Happy cooking!